With InterSystems AI Hub, you can build agentic applications that are fully integrated into your existing InterSystems IRIS environment. The AI Hub is an AI enablement layer that makes it simple to use embedded and external AI components and plug your existing data and business logic into agentic workflows. What makes the AI Hub unique is that all of this is fully governed by the same InterSystems IRIS security model you already use and trust. The AI Hub consists of two primary features: the AI SDK and the MCP server. The AI SDK simplifies the process of connecting your InterSystems IRIS applications to external AI models and tools, while the MCP server lets you expose internal data and logic tools outside InterSystems IRIS, leveraging the Model Context Protocol. Let's take a closer look at each. With the AI SDK, you can connect your applications to AI components like LLMs or external MCP tools. You will store configurations centrally in your InterSystems IRIS instance. For an LLM, this might include the model name, credentials, and temperature setting. Using InterSystems IRIS roles, it's easy to control which users or applications access these configurations. When developing AI applications on InterSystems IRIS, you can then call out to these tools using your preferred programming language. In ObjectScript, a new set of intuitive classes lets you build AI agents natively. Alternatively, you can use LangChain for Python or LangChain4j in Java. For example, you could use a stored LLM configuration in an AI chatbot you coded with LangChain. At runtime, the AI SDK will find the credentials for the LLM, validate whether the current user has appropriate permissions, and invoke the actual provider for the named LLM configuration. This ensures efficient, consistent, policy-controlled AI behavior across your InterSystems IRIS applications. Any use of this registered LLM through the AI SDK is also fully audited by InterSystems IRIS. The other feature of the AI Hub is the MCP server, which allows you to securely expose InterSystems IRIS data and business logic so that agents or other external MCP clients can integrate this logic into their workflow. Let's see how the MCP server works in a real-world example. Say a developer at your healthcare organization wants to build an AI assistant in a third-party framework to help patients check in for appointments. Check-in typically involves verifying a patient's identity, confirming the appointment, and ensuring information like the patient's primary care physician is up to date. Within this workflow, we can identify pieces of business logic that need to be exposed to the digital assistant, such as a SQL query that pulls appointment details and a FHIR query that locates the currently listed primary care physician. Using a built-in wizard in InterSystems IRIS, you can define an MCP server, including an endpoint that will allow access to the server. This is where you'll define the tools that the server can run. In this case, the SQL query and FHIR query will both be made available to the MCP server. You will also define the security resource required to access the server. The digital assistant is then assigned the necessary security resource. Using OAuth for authorization, the MCP server allows the digital assistant access to only the queries it needs to help a patient check in. With the AI Hub, you can develop secure, scalable AI applications fully integrated with your existing InterSystems IRIS environment.